Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Rachel, and she's come in today for a redesign. So I removed her previous set, which was a nice milky pinky light set, back down to the clear layer, and now we're going in with design. Done all the prep obviously. Mel is on one this morning. So anyway, had to shut the door. So now here on the middle finger, I'm going in with Heatwave from CJP, and I'm going to create an ombre. So I'm going to do exactly what you would do with a baby boomer. So we're going to put it halfway down the nail, blend back that harsh line and put it all the way to the tip, and then we're going to come in with our nude colour, and I'm going to place it at the cuticle area, pat it out to the sides, and then drag it all the way down. And then if you feel like you need to add a little bit more, usually I can never get it done in one bead, I like to just add another nude. Go ahead, you just go ahead and do that. So I'll come in and put another, I'm going to adjust the camera first and then I'll come in with that another nude bead, just because you can see it's quite sheer there. And then just to build up the colour of the orange again, I'm going to come back in with a small bead, a really small wet bead of Heatwave, put it at the tip and then blend that back. I'm using my CJP big boy brush today, and my Vodex is getting a bashing. It looks dirty but it's not. I did a set on Nikki, which was, we used red metal and a brown one. I can't remember what the brown one was, but I kept dropping it on my Vodex, so that's what it is there, and then it's obviously set, so can't get it off. Gonna have to get some acetone and give it a good soak maybe. So yeah, once I'm happy, we're gonna move on to the baby, which I think is just gonna be a full nail of magenta, Jesus, a full nail of Heatwave. So yeah, place that at cuticle area and blend it down. This is a really easy colour to apply. You can literally just apply one bead, blend it down, and you've got a good coverage. Not a full coverage, but a good coverage base. So then I just like to build up the colour where I think it needs it. So the ring finger is going to be one of those stripy marbles that I like to do. There's a little bit of hangnail sort of thing there. I do get that at the end. But I'm picking up magenta. Why do I keep saying magenta? It's because I know I've got a video using magenta. I'm using Heatwave, birthday suit and coconut milk. So I'm going to do my like little swoosh down the nail, keeping it real nice and wet, and just so every time you bring another colour up to it, it's just going to blend nicely into each other. So I'm just going to keep adding and building up my marble. Mel is still going. God, he can be so loud sometimes. Merlin! Thank you. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch this part. It's pretty simple. If you struggle with marble, like the swirly sort of marble, I advise trying to do this stripy marble because it's so much easier. I just did a whole voiceover, but Merlin was even though my door is shut, Merlin was absolutely screaming, and all you could hear was that. He's finally calmed down. But anyway, so here I'm using a glitter from Glitter Planet. I think it's just called Neon Iridescent. You know, tell me if I'm wrong, but I think it's just called that. I find it quite tricky to work with. It's quite a hard glitter. It's not an easy glitter to work with, but it went with the set, so I'm going with it. And it's nice. So then I'm gonna just apply that to wherever I thought that looked nice, and then on the pointer finger here we're going to do a glitter fade with the same glitter. So I'm going to use Birthday Suit at the cuticle area and blend that down just to cover the colour of our natural nail, and then we're going to come in with Heatwave, blend a little bit back just for a base background colour. And then I'm going to go over the top with the glitter, and you might see me struggle a little bit because, like I said, it's a little bit tricky to work with. Maybe you're not meant to use it like this. Maybe you're meant to like rub it into a sticky layer or something. Oh my god, that could be right, couldn't it? But anyway, I'll let you watch this part. So then the thumb always gets neglected, so that's just going to be, I don't know why it gets neglected. Like, I feel like the thumb just always should be a plain or maybe a little bit of glitter, but the thumb is just going to be a full nail of that heat wave. And then I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass, so I've left a clip in of that. I have sped it up because I don't like my videos to be mega long, and you've all seen me do it about 20 million times. I wonder how many videos I've got up on here now. Are you not getting bored of me yet? There's only so much I can do here. So then I'm going to come in and file her nails. I come in with my hand file first and just bring those sidewalls in slightly, and then I use my Efile. How ridiculous am I? Like, my Vodex is there to collect the dust and it's right there. I always do this. It's right behind their hand, so it's just going all on me. Such a div. So once I was happy and we got our cuticle nice and flush and I buffed them lovely and smooth, we're going to come in with top coat. So I'm using CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and I'm just going to apply a nice thin layer of that over all her nails. This is the best part, isn't it? I love this finger. I absolutely loved this marble today. I think because the glitter was just so subtle. Sometimes if you put too chunky glitter, it just ruins it and you can't really see the marble. So I liked that it was so fine. So yeah, secure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'll apply some cuticle oil from NAFF Stuff in peach, standard right for this set. And then that is the set complete, so I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Sorry about Merlin too.